Welcome to the CMTI Training Institution. CMTI is a professional organization working towards development of construction professionals through structured training programs delivered by experts from the industry. CMTI is official training partner for Larsen & Toubro, Tata Projects Limited and many other organizations. Our mission is to equip you with practical knowledge and hands-on experience. This training is not just about theory, but about applying what you learn in real-world scenarios. This is the perfect platform for civil engineering students to enhance their skills and broaden their horizons. CMTI is professionally associated with leading organizations like Association of Consulting Civil Engineers, Indian Concrete Institute, Indian Green Building Council, and Indian Plumbing Association, and many other professional bodies for trainings and placements. Our syllabus trainings are designed as per the industry needs and job descriptions. CMTI trainings are practical, field and job-oriented. CMTI helped 2,000 plus engineers for placements in leading firms across India. CMTI trainings transformed the engineers and growth in their career is phenomenal. Our offline trainings at Bangalore starts every month on 1st and 15th of the calendar. In this training, you will be exposed to various aspects of construction, from project planning to implementation. You will be given the chance to understand the intricacies of construction and the role it plays in the field of civil engineering. The curriculum of this course is meticulously designed by experts in the field, ensuring you receive the best education possible. You will be learning from professionals who have years of experience and knowledge to share. So, if you are a civil engineering student looking to boost your career, this short-term construction course at CMTI Institution is your golden ticket. We are here to guide you on your journey to success. Enroll now and take the first step towards a brighter future. For more details, visit our social media pages in Instagram, LinkedIn, and visit our website www.cmti.co.in.